in the Kigali Art Center. We just reached now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's enter.
You can see, welcome to Kigali Art Center.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Actually, I studied in the art secondary school. After finishing the schools, they come with an idea for foundation piece gallery. So we are working here around 7 years.
Wow.
We have 7 artists.
7 artists.
Yes,
Wow.
we are working together. The 5 of them are painters, and 2 of them are illustrators who do the illustration and the storybooks. I think that's all.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
thank you so much. So, is there a story about this art center?
Sorry.
Yeah.
So we used to work at home as an artist. So we used to painting at home, and after that we found that how we can expose our paints. So I'm not the founder,
Yeah.
but I'm the managing this place. I know.
Oh.
And the 2 founders, they sit together and help others to expose our works. So that's how the idea came. And they took the place. We not started in this place. We started in the small place in the Kachiru. I don't know if you know the place. Yeah. They started in the small place, and after they're growing, and they come to this place. And yeah, that's how.
So, is there any difficulties to start this, like a business, start it art center?
It's always difficult.
It's
Because
difficult.
it's the kind of disadvantage in this country. They are not yet know, and they are not yet understand how paint is, how is it needed in this country. We are still struggling to make people understand and to advertise, to work hard. Yeah, it's difficult to listen, to understand the kind of this painting, the kind of this work here. Yeah.
Hello, can you see this picture? This is the most expensive one. Here. Wow, you can see. Here's the price. Where's the price? Okay, let me show you the price. $2,000 USD.
Do you see this picture? I choose this picture is among these pictures, among here pictures, most touched in my heart because beautiful landscapes and mountains and river and houses, nature. Because of even these houses already disappeared because this picture is from the 10 years ago. That's why nowadays they develop their houses so that you can't see that now. But through this picture, I could see that river and like natural part. So this picture is my favorite pictures and very touching in my heart. Thank you.
In this art center, I think this picture is so special. And so, in my heart, this is so meaningful for me. You see, this man, this is the light, this is dark. This man, even though they stayed in this light, but they hardly see the sun, like our women.
Hello, this place is drawing place. So when artists drawing some picture and make sculpture, they made this place. I somehow wondering. I think this place somehow like a floor, but I saw many pictures in art center. I saw so many good pictures. So how they can make good picture in here? So somehow surprised.
Our arts are different.
How do you think this art center?
Oh, before I come here, I thought it was very, very small. But after I enter and after I saw all the pictures, I could find this as a very, very good and very amazing place. Because there are many, many good pictures, and also they gathered 70 artists' hearts. So I could see many, many good works.
How do you think this art center?
Before I came here, I thought that this was so small, but after enter and after looked at everything, I thought everything is changed. Actually, they have many good pictures and beautiful pictures and scriptures. And when I looked at, my heart was very touched about many pictures. So, thank you.
Hello. Actually, before when I heard about art center, I felt somehow boring because I don't like watch picture and scripture. But today I could change my heart. I like so much scripture and picture. Yeah.